Alright guys, so our goal is to basically set up a DHCP server. We're going to set this up here in this router number 2. We're going to set up all these loop interfaces as well as we're going to assign IP to these interfaces. Router number 1, we're going to assign this IP interfaces here within this network right here. On this switch, we're going to create VLANs and assign this interface to those VLANs. And then here I set up a Ubuntu server actually in order to access a website. So the Ubuntu server is located here. Let me show you. This is our Ubuntu server. Let me log in. And then we're going to ls/lah. See their files. We have the index.html here. I'm going to cut that. And we just have some words here. Hello, welcome to our website. Good luck in your CCNA studies. Best J. Okay, perfect. And that's when we ping this. When we connect to this server, we should see that in our website. I've set up already our static IP address with a net mask and our default gateway. Default gateway, I put it here. Okay. So let me see here. Why is that default? Oh, it's 192.168.2.1, which is this network. It should be here. I don't know why, because I got confused. 192.168.1.0 network. Okay, so let's click apply. Let's lower minimize this. Let's go ahead and do router number 1, and we're gonna assign the IP addresses here in router number 1. So config t IP interface 0/0 IP address 10.1.1.0.1 255.255.255.252. No shot. Okay, perfect. So we have that. How do I know this is 252? Because look at the CIDR notation. Here is a /30, and when I look at this is a good table to have even for your studies, or to have it when you take it to CCNA. If this bit is on right here, is 128. If these two bits are on, this 192, 224, etc. So this is a /30. So that will be something like this. Will be, I will put X when it's fully completed. So X, that's 8, that's 16, that's 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then 31, 32. So this is a 252 right here. Okay, so it'll be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus the 24 that we have already here that are on. That will be 30/30. So that will be right here, 252. Alright, perfect. Let's continue assigning our IP addresses. We did a no shot here. Okay, the interface stays to down. The reason why it stays to down is because the other side is not on. Okay, let's do interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0. That's a /24, and then we're gonna no shot this. All right, perfect. Then let's jump into our switch. To our switch 2 here. This switch right here. We're gonna do config t. We're gonna do interface range Ethernet 0/0 to 1. We're gonna do let's exit this, and let's do, first of all, let's do spanning tree port fast. I'm gonna enable the port fast on all defaults. Okay, so I'm gonna enable all of them, but then I'm gonna negate the command on the interface 0/0, but I'm gonna leave it on Ethernet 0/1. So interface Ethernet 0/0, no span scanning 3 port fast. Okay, I think I misspelled this, port fast. Alright, perfect. Exit. And then we are, for security purpose, we're going to create a VLAN, and let's name it VLAN 100. Exit VLAN 100, and we're going to assign this to our interface. So interface range 0/0 to 1. Forgot to put the interface here. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 100. I'm going to exit this. I'm going to create a switch port security on interface 0/1. Okay, so I'm going to interface Ethernet 0/1, switch port mode, switch port security, switch port security, and let's see our commands here. We have MAC address, and let's see what we have here. So let's do sticky, and let's do switch port security. Let's do our violation, and our violation is going to be shut down. Okay, all right, so we have done that in this side. We just verified. Go back to our router 1, show run, do show run. When we look at our configuration here, we see that we have internet, fast internet /0, our IP address, our subnet mask we have selected here, and this is our subnet mask for this location right here on our interface. Alright, perfect. Let's do router 2. Router 2, what we're going to do is we're going to go config T. Let's start with interface fast internet 0/1. So interface fast internet 0/1, IP address 172.17.1.2, 255.255.255.252. No shot. Let's do interface 0/0 to IP address 10.1.1.0, 255.255.255.252. What happened here? Oh, because this is a network. We don't need a network. We actually need an IP address here. Okay, perfect. And now interface fast internet 0/0, IP address 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255.0 for that one. Let's do a no shot. And I think I didn't do a no shot in interface 0/0. No, I didn't. 0/0. No shot. Okay, should come up anytime soon. There you go. Stand to up. Let's set up our DHCP server. So in our DHCP server, we have to set it up. We have to first give it, let's go to config T. Let's do IP DHCP. We always have to put IP DHCP, and we're going to give it a pool name, remote DHCP. We're going to say network. What's our network that we want to assign the IP address to, which is this one, because of DORA. Remember DORA, the acronyms. That's important for you to remember for your CCNA. And then here, this is gonna go back and send and say, hey, let me have an IP address, and then this DHCP server is gonna tell it, hey, here is your DHCP address that I'm gonna assign to you. So we need this network 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.255.0, and then we're going to give it a default router. Our default router is going to be this one, the interface right here, which is 192.168.1.2. Let's give it DNS server assign an IP address to it, to this one, since I already have it assigned to the Ubuntu server. Let's do a NetBIOS swell name server 192.168.10.1, and then let's lease 10 addresses. Okay, so we're going to exit this, and then now we need the routers to communicate. So how are we going to do that? Well, one of the ways that I'm going to choose to is RIP. Okay, so I'm going to use router RIP version 2, and then I'm going to do no outer summary, that's important, and then network, the networks that are connected to that 1.0 network. This is for router 1, then 192, then 168.2.0. I'm going to exit this. I'm going to go to router number 2, exit router RIP. I'm going to do the 3 networks. I haven't assigned the Lupa interface. I don't think I'm going to assign it because of time restraint, but you can go ahead and simulate the lab. So let's do network 172.17.1.0, network 10.1.1.0, network 192.168.1.0. Okay, did I do version? No, I didn't do version 2. No auto summary. Okay, perfect. Now let's do DHCP server. So we're going to do router RIP, no version 2, no auto summary, and network 172.17.1.0. Let's verify that show IP protocol. Okay, so it takes about invalid after sending updates every 30 seconds, so we're gonna have to wait 30 seconds, but I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to here and say I clear IP route start. I'm gonna copy this command, and I'm gonna go to router 2. I'm gonna end, and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna go to number 1, and I'm gonna paste it as well. Okay, perfect. So we now know. Let's verify this. Show IP route. Okay, it's looking routers. It's RIP. This network. Let's see here. Show IP route. Okay, it's looking at this network right here, 192.168, which is this one right here, RIP, and then this one is to learn about 1, 2, 3 networks. So show IP route. Not sad. Okay, show IP route. Let's see what happened here. So here what we've done is I have given the show IP route command and nothing shows up. Let's do show IP in brief and make sure everything is on, right? So here I can see that Ethernet is not done. It hasn't been assigned an IP address. So we need to do that. So config T, and then we're gonna go interface Ethernet 0/0, IP address 172.171.1, 255.255.255.252. No, shut it down. And now let's go and let's do a clear IP route and do show IP route. Alright, perfect. So now we have all our 3 networks that we learned. The 10.1.1.0, which is this one, the 192.168.1, which is that one, 192.168.2.0, which is this one right there. Alright, so one thing is very important that I haven't done, I believe, is that I haven't put an IP helper address. So So show run. Let me verify. No, I haven't done that, and we have to do it F00. So no, I haven't done that here. So we need to put config conf t. So we need to do interface F0/0 IP helper address. It's going to point to the DHCP server 1. Okay, exit. And let's verify that everything is running nicely. Let's do our switch too. We haven't done that, or we did already. Let me verify this. Show run. See what we've done here. Okay, we set up switchboard security. We did VLAN. We actually put them in the VLANs. Okay, so that's all we needed to do. Perfect. Let's go to our Windows machine. And let's see if we can get a incorrect password. Let me make sure that I'm typing the correct password. Okay. Let's see if we can, this Windows 10 machine can go ahead and ping the Ubuntu server and connect to the Ubuntu server. Okay, let's see the Ubuntu here. Why do I have two Windows machines? Alright, let's close one. Where's my Ubuntu? All right here. Okay, let's type the password. Let's see if we can ping. Let me clear the screen. Let me go back to my home. Okay, let me clear this. We go IP config, fconfig. Okay, so we have an IP address here that is static. This is our IP address. Let's see if we can ping our gateway 192.168.2.1. Yep, we can ping it. Let me close that ping. Alright, let's go to our Windows machine and see what's going on here. So let's assign it an IP address and go to the command prompt. Let's run it as an administrator. Yes. Let's do an IP config. We're gonna see it has given it already an IP address of 192.168.1.1. Let's go ahead and go to the intranet, to our local intranet, and let's connect to our Ubuntu 5.4. And there you go, guys. Hello, welcome to our website. Good luck in your CCNA studies. Best J. Thank you.